Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage again. We're in the capital today in Abu Dhabi. We've caught up with a few of the guys down here and we've come to look at some trucks, nice patrol, and the Camaro behind us. So this is a Z28, it's a 1969. It was painted in the US, it was at an auction. Surprisingly enough, an Australian guy bought it, shipped it over to the UAE, and then our friend Mohammed has picked it up, made some modifications on it. So it's a 4-speed manual, it's got a 350 small block in it, which has been modified, made some changes. The car looks great. The paint's fantastic.
Well, things to see, like, you know, because I think you didn't remove the chrome.
Okay.
You didn't remove the fender, they just painted over. So the paint overlap. So for me it's really good. I wouldn't change the paint of the car because, you know, here they will just mix it up. Even more and more. This is clean as well.
The colour really suits the car, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the engine bay is immaculate.
My Nova's engine bay was way much better than this one.
So you can see the paint's really good, but it was actually painted by the owner in his garage as well when they were before it went to auction. But the quality's great. It shines fantastic. Look at that. So inside the trunk, original material, which I've got to say, in this kind of quality, it's got to be hard to find in a 69 car. We were just saying, Dan's got to change the compressor on his GTR, and we've got to change the compressor on the 930 as well. And just American cars have so much space, so there's none of this skinning your knuckles and
Removing everything.
Yeah, removing everything. Yeah, it's a much easier job on one of these. Just the space. Kind of not used to that. Look at that. Typical big American engine sound with the gurgling away. Just a lovely car. The ideal man cave. To park your Chevy in. Lovely.
Crazy.
Ethanol for the patrol. The patrol is nothing special, it's just 800 horsepower. We'll pop the hood open in a moment and have a look at the engine, but that has a massive turbocharger in it.
But I never get to clean this car very good because I always go to the desert. So it's no point of just giving it lots of cleaning it, just the body from outside.
You have a Motec dash as well.
Yeah, the dash is
So the Desert Machine, 800 glorious horsepower in this patrol.
And it's manual as well.
And it's manual.
Yeah, which is good. I see too many people putting turbos on auto ones and
What's the point?
So,
but this, everyone.
lovely standard kind of Nissan interior. Manual shifter. It's just got a lot of horses under the engine.
So many people do this.
Wow.
I like this.
Yeah.
This is what I want to buy. So what's the difference? The size of them?
Yeah, not the size. They still have the 5.3, the 6.0, the 6.2 liter.
Yeah.
But this one are direct injection. They don't have the port injection.
Okay, yeah.
This one is fully built 5.3 motor. Forged internal, capable of like 1,000 horsepower.
And it's running about 700 at the moment. What PSI are you making?
12 PSI.
12 PSI. So it's small.
Running on ethanol.
Yeah, with the engine built like that.
But it's then
12 PSI, 700 horsepower
as
on
long
a,
as the tune is
on
good.
a
Ethanol.
yeah, on a machine that's going to run 1,000 horsepower. Like,
It's good, safe.
you're safe. Yeah.
As long as the tune's good.
So the boys are off to Leroy this weekend. It has a nice viewing platform, so you walk up the stairs, go on to the top.
5 days.
Caravan getting ready.
Okay, yeah.
I think we'll call it an RV. It's massive inside. Viewing deck's brilliant.
Yeah.
We're about to get run over. Keep the bin close by so you can throw everything away that you probably left in there last year. The boys are getting all ready to go. We'll put a tag on the link about Leroy because that's really the desert experience for the year here. It's hill climbing, desert climbing, and burnout competitions and drag racing and all kinds of stuff happen there. So we'll put a link in the description below for some more details about that. Boys are getting ready though. Off tomorrow, I think.
It's a road since I first went as well.
So Leroy's normally about 2 hours away. Probably in this time, this is probably going to take the boys about 3 hours to get there. But what a viewing deck on top. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Something a little bit different this week with a collection of American cars. We'll put the link in the description below for Leroy and the guys in Abu Dhabi. So a massive thank you very much to Mohammed and the guys for showing us around and letting us into their home and their garage. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll probably get back to you with some air-cooled stuff next week. So until then, please like, subscribe, put some comments below. If there's anything you'd really like us to show you from here in the Middle East and Dubai and Abu Dhabi, please let us know. And we'll see you very soon with a new video. See you later, guys.